If you're serious about trading, you need to understand charts. Why? Because charts show what the market is doing and what it might do next. The most popular chart type, candlestick charts. Each candle shows 4 key things: open, close, high, low. A green candle means price went up. A red one means it went down. Look at several candles and you'll see trends. Uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. Downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. Sideways, range-bound market. You'll also spot support and resistance levels, where price often reverses. Add technical indicators to level up your analysis, moving averages for trend direction, RSI for overbought or oversold signals, MACD for momentum changes. Technical analysis isn't guessing, it's about smart data-driven decisions. At Solver 99, you get live charts, powerful indicators, and drawing tools. New to trading? Start with our demo account or try free competitions. No risk involved. Master the charts. Master the market. Join Solver 99 today at solver99.com and trade with confidence.